Zaktoro Zanzibaro here, professional day trader of stocks and futures. Now bringing you tip number 2. In the first video, I told you that tip number 1 was do not trade until you double your account size in a simulated account, or if you have to do it on paper, do it on paper. I would prefer you do it in a regular sim account online, so you know the fills you're getting are accurate. Once you've done that, my second bit of advice for you is something I'm sure you've never heard anywhere, and that is the market is open from 9:30 to 4. That's 6.5 hours. It's a very different 6.5 hours once you go to live money than when you're watching it in sim mode or just for educational purposes. So tip number 2 is do not trade the whole day. Pick either from 9:30 to noon or 1 to 4 to trade. The rest of the day I want you watching, but it's too much to trade the whole day. Why? Here is one reason among many. I have seen so many traders, myself included, that start off either winning a couple of trades and then giving it all back and steaming and then losing 3 or 4 times what they won in the morning, or they start off with a bad loser and they keep chasing all day and blow out their account. Either way, if you're making money, you should be happy to only need half a day to trade. In fact, you could trade the first 6 months of your trading life, maybe a year, maybe forever, trading 3 hours a day, 2.5, 3 hours a day. There will always be, all you need to do is win one trade. If you make 2 trades from 9:30 to noon and you lose a small one and win a large trade, you're going to make millions of dollars. So pick a time frame to trade, 9:30 to noon or 1 to 4. From 12 to 1 is usually the slowest time. That's a good time, to be truthful, to take a break, go for a walk around the block, meditate, do a little Tai Chi, yoga, something to get some exercise, have something healthy to eat. You don't need to be sitting in front of the screen nonstop. If you want to, go ahead. Just don't trade for the entire trading day. That's tip number 2 from Zaktoro.